Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are starting off this video at the gas station, refilling the STI. I had been driving this car for the past few days, putting quite a few miles on it. Officially, this motor is broken, and I've put in about 250 miles on this car now, which for what we're trying to do is plenty, and realistically that is plenty to seat the rings. But the game plan right now is we're filling up the STI and then we are heading out to Josh's shop. There are some things him and I are wanting to talk about that you guys might like to hear. I don't know exactly how it's going to play out, but I'll bring you guys along at Josh's and I can give you guys the update. As I was heading home, it was funny seeing, I don't know if I got it on camera, but Bo, I let him just take the Honda out today, whatever he was doing, and it was funny. As I was heading home, I saw my own Honda on the road, which is kind of funny. It's kind of cool seeing your own cars on the road when you're not expecting it. I don't know, it was kind of cool. I don't know where he's at. I think I lost him here, but I think we're gonna go ahead and take both of the cars to a car wash. The STI is in desperate need of a car wash. It's disgusting, and the Honda could use one as well. We got both of the cars at our car wash. It is way past due to get the STI washed. It looks like absolute crap, and I hate driving my cars on the road with them looking bad. So we got the STI in one bay, and then Bo was obviously driving the Honda. He's got it in another bay over here. We're gonna go ahead and get these cleaned up. The car should look a lot better. I wonder if I like the hood better with the paint cleaned up. Still don't think I will, but it'll be interesting to see because this paint looks like absolute garbage right now. Well, we just got both the STI and Honda washed, dried, and then we ended up actually just vacuuming. It's hard to see, the lighting's horrible, but vacuumed the inside of the cars as well. Makes it feel a million times better driving this car, knowing it looks good and it is clean on the inside. But Chase left his keys in my car, and I need to head out to Josh's shop again so I can give Chase his keys back. Good morning. We are starting off this video. We need to go drop this truck off at service. It has quite a few things it needs, and it has a check engine light, but it's under warranty, so I'm going to be dropping this off at our local dealership. I have Bo following me in my STI. So I'm not stuck there all day. And then we have some fun things planned today, which, if things go according to plan, should make for an interesting video. It is so cool seeing my STI on the road in a different vehicle. I've not seen this car rolling on the road yet, and it looks really aggressive. With this new hood too, it looks really good from the front view, even the raw carbon, but I just don't like how it looks standing still, but it looks so aggressive. God damn, my car looks so good. Oh, it makes me so happy seeing that on the road. And it even makes me happy too, having my best friend enjoy my vehicles with me. Because as you guys know, he does have that Evo that currently is not put back together, so he has not had a fun vehicle to drive around in a while. That's why I've been telling him he can take the Honda when he wants. Alright, we are now back home. Last time I picked up the camera, Bo and I went car shopping for future cars for the channel. I wasn't even sure if I was going to be buying one vehicle, but we ended up walking out buying two. Now, I recorded all of it, but I think I'm going to hold off revealing exactly what they are until I do the reveal video, because I do not have the cars here at my property right now. I need to figure out a way to get both cars here. But also, there's something else I've been working on, and that is a shop. For the past couple weeks, I have been looking at every available shop in Spokane that somewhat fits my budget and spacing needs. And we finally found one, and we are in the process of getting the lease signed and all of that good stuff. And we should hopefully be moving into that shop on the 1st of February. So that's very exciting. We have quite a few big things coming to the channel. We have a new shop space so we can get a lift, have a nicer working environment, and 2 more vehicles. The only thing I will say with the vehicles is they are my favorite generation STI. So if you guys know, you guys know, or you guys can take a wild guess of what my favorite generation STI is, and I got 2 of them. I'm very excited. I have some crazy plans with these cars, and they're also not just 2 of the same, they're identical. But I'm very excited to finally take possession of these 2 new STIs. I have some pretty fun plans with these cars, and I'm very excited. Those cars should be a huge part of this channel this year, so I'm very excited to get that. And also, it is somewhat of a dream STI to buy. And like I mentioned, I had no intention of really even buying one. I just went there to look, and then I ended up saying I'll buy both of them. So you guys will see very soon here. I'm hoping I can get into that shop space on the 1st. If that is the case, that is probably going to be the reveal video, just because I don't really want to take possession of them here. The shop is already full. I have my Honda, Bo's Evo, Cody's GTI. The lean-to is full of just our other cars, and then the garage attached to the house has my STI. And I don't really want the 2 new cars sitting outside the shop, so I think I'm going to wait to take delivery until we move into the shop. Still not 100% sure though. Also, these cars are not in like perfect condition. They don't both run, so they have their own issues, but we will fix that. Neither of them are that bad. Should be pretty quick turnaround time, but that's enough. I feel like I'm spoiling it already. You guys will just have to wait to see what we picked up.